I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to find the specs of your MacBook or iMac device. Step 1. Click the Apple icon to open a menu, and then click About this Mac in this menu. A window opens where you'll see some of the specs of your Mac. Step 2. Go ahead and click More Info on this screen so we can see all of the details for your device. You'll see the make, model, and year of your device at the top of this window. In this example, you can see I'm using a 13-inch 2025 MacBook Air. You'll see the name of your iMac or MacBook, which will be the name associated with your device when it's connected to local networks. You can see the specific chip your iMac or MacBook is using. In this example, my device has an Apple M4 chip. You'll see how much memory your iMac or MacBook device has. You can see the serial number for your device, which is important if you ever need to buy a replacement part, such as a battery, or if you ever need to provide proof of ownership for your device. This is also where you can see your device's warranty information. If you scroll down further, you'll see what macOS version you're running. In this example, you can see I'm using macOS Tahoe version 26.3.1. You'll see your display information, and finally, you'll see the info for the hard drive associated with your iMac or MacBook. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.